Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I have a Dollar Tree haul. It's not the biggest haul, but I hit the brand name makeup mother load. So I'm very excited to share with you guys what I picked up today. So stay tuned if you want to see what I found. So we're gonna start off with the makeup, like I said, because it is the most exciting part of this entire haul. I found a bunch of Wet n Wild lippy, I don't know, stuff. So I bought everything that I saw. I bet you they had a bunch more and I'm sure it's sold out. I think I took the rest of it. So first things first, I found the first gel or first step gel liner. I don't think I've tried these yet, but I have seen them. I do know that at like Walmart, they're $2.93. So to get them for $1 is definitely a deal. I found these two. These were the only ones I found. So there's a nude color and it is called Sand Nudes. And then I found this pink color, which is called Pink Electro. I'm not really a pink type of lippy girl, but I figured maybe I could save this to start building up my little giveaway pile. And since I don't know who's gonna win the giveaway whenever I do it, I feel like pink is pretty universal and could fit so many other skin tones, whereas this one is so super light, you know, it might not look good on every single skin tone. So this will be in the giveaway whenever I get my P.O. box. I'm just gonna start creating a pile for you guys. So this was really exciting to find these lip liners there. And then I picked up these 3 lip balms. And I feel like in the past, I've had the pink one before. Not sure what happened to it because I think I had it when I was in San Antonio and I think in the move it got lost. But these are the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Balms. So it seems that this is all the gel line. I wonder if we're gonna find some more stuff from their gel line at Dollar Tree. I got 3 different colors. These were all the colors I saw there. I picked every single one of them up. The blue packaging is going to be the clear transparent one. That is going to be for me because I love me some lip balm. I actually went to Dollar Tree needing lip balm. So this is called Kiss and it's just a clear transparent lip balm. And I'm going to open these up so you guys can see them. And again, I believe these are $2.93 at Walmart. So it says Pout and Kiss, and it's just a clear lip balm. The next color I picked up was Play, and it looks to be sort of like a corally red color. So here's what the packaging looks red down here, and the box is kind of like showing a coral red, I feel like. And so these are gonna have like a small tint to it, but it's not gonna be too crazy because they are lip balms. It has a smooth application, lasting moisture, sheer and glossy. So it is sheer. And it's especially formulated with vitamin E, avocado oil, and a gel complex to deliver innovation with the ultimate performance and comfort. So yay, so exciting. I'm gonna be keeping these first 2 colors. And then this pink one is gonna be going to you guys because I feel like it's going to match the pink lip liner that I just mentioned. This is the shade Shock. Oh, this one is super cute. This one is super cute. It's this little bubblegum pink. It's got like a hot pink packaging and this is called Shock. I didn't touch it, you guys. I didn't touch it and my hands are clean. So, this will be going in the giveaway for you guys. And like I said, I went there for lip balm because I completely ran out of my Carmex and I got another Carmex because it just never fails me. In my opinion, this is like the best lip balm ever. It really, really hydrates me. And it also has SPF in it, I believe, because my last one did. Does this one have it? I guess this one doesn't have SPF, which is confusing because they usually carry this in the pot or in the stick. And the stick one, it says that it has SPF in it, and that's why I liked it. But I do like the pot because I feel like the pot lasts longer. So it was like give and take. I found the pot this time. The pot lasts way longer than the stick. After I had already gone grocery shopping, I realized that I was kind of running low on my deodorant. So I was like, let's check out the deodorants and maybe I'll just pick up one from Dollar Tree to hold me over till my next grocery shop. And I found a brand named deodorant. This is Arm & Hammer. What I think is so cool about this is that it's a natural deodorant. So it says essentials with natural deodorizers, free of aluminum, parabens, and phthalates. I don't know how you say that, but this is in the scent Fresh Rosemary. And I was like, I don't know, I feel like the ones without aluminum like don't work as well on your BO, and I was afraid to try it, but I know that aluminum is not good for you, so I was like, let me just smell it. And then I smelled it, you guys. Ooh, it smells so good. And I think that this is unisex. Like, I feel like a man or a woman could wear this scent. It really goes either way. It doesn't smell too masculine. It doesn't smell too feminine. You just have to smell it for yourself. I never knew what rosemary and lavender smelled like together, but it is so, oh, it is so amazing. It smells so fresh and so clean. And as you can see, it's a clear gel. So it's a clear gel deodorant, but I thought this was a pretty good size for $1 to be by Arm & Hammer. It's 1 ounces, so I picked that guy up. The next item I got is a surprise for hubby because Father's Day is coming up. You guys cannot say anything.
Yes, Mom.
You hear me? Cause
yes.
my kids wanted to be in here while I was filming, so they're like watching me film. We cannot tell Daddy about this. You promise?
Yes. Yes.
Do you promise? We don't talk about it. So they had these really cute mugs and cups for Father's Day, and I chose this cup because I thought this was really cute, and it says best dad ever. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's written on both sides, and I really love that they put it on both sides because I can't stand when it's only on one side and then you have drink in there and it's only, you know, like if it's not facing you, you don't know what it says. So I really like that they printed it on both sides. So it's just these block like bubble letters with a black shadowing, and this would be great for like a beer mug. It's a little bit small though to be a beer mug. In my opinion, they're normally a little bit bigger, but you can still fit probably a can in here. But my husband likes to drink whiskey, so he puts it with seltzer water, this like cherry flavored seltzer water. So I feel like this is the perfect size for him. So I do think that he will get use out of this glass, and it's just a little something. I gotta get him something else. I'm just not sure what yet, but I figured maybe this could be from the kids because it says best dad ever. I did want to mention that I bought these floaties from Dollar Tree. I've never tried their floaties before. I will say that they were not the best quality. They were very hard to blow up, like very hard to blow up. So also this one I got for my son, which is a tire, and I thought it was so cute, and it had a hole in it by the mouthpiece, which is very unfortunate. This one did end up blowing up. It was just so hard to blow them up, you guys. Like, we were trying so hard. It is cute though. It's a donut with a little bite taken out of it, which is pretty cool. And she used it in the pool yesterday, and I'll just show you guys a little picture of it, hopefully. I can't remember if I took a picture of it. But yeah, it's just one of those regular little circle floats. Not the best quality. Probably wouldn't purchase again because it was way too difficult to blow up. And then one came broken, which was so disappointing, you guys. You guys, I'm sitting here editing this video, and then I noticed that the bathroom door is all of a sudden open. Sometimes that happens when our air conditioner kicks on, and I guess I didn't notice it. My daughter's like photobombing me the whole time. Like, her little face is in the side of the mirror, so I'm like hoping that's not like super distracting, but I'm sorry, you guys. They were like begging me to be in the room while I filmed, and like, she's just always trying to mess up the shot, you know what I'm saying? Sadly, they did not have any more Toy Story gummies when I went there, so I went ahead and I picked up these Crayola fruit snacks, and they're 100% DV, vitamin C, fat-free, no high fructose corn syrup, and they're cholesterol free. You get 6 pouches, so it's okay because the Welch's ones that they carry, you only get 4 pouches, but the Toy Story, you get 10 pouches, so that was like the steal. This is okay for like regular Dollar Tree stuff. I feel like they always have this there. I could be wrong, but my kids said that they liked them and they were just a little bit more chewier, but I think they said they liked them better, so that worked. I also decided to pick up 2 of these satin pillowcases. I have been keeping my eyes peeled for them for the past 2 months every time I go, and they're always sold out. But I heard really good stuff about these because you know how silk pillowcases are supposed to be good for your hair? Well, silk can be more expensive because it's silk. So they said that's, I've just heard that satin can have the same effect on your hair. So when you're sleeping at night, it just helps to not damage your hair or dry out your hair. So I'm interested to try it out. Thankfully they had black because I didn't want some weird funky colors. And so yeah, these are just satin pillowcases. You get 1 per package. So I got 2 of them. And I will let you guys know how I like them. I also picked up a new napkin holder because if you guys saw my TikTok, I found a scorpion in my other napkin holder. Oh, these scorpions, man. So it was a clear plastic napkin holder from Dollar Tree, and I had napkins in there, and it I thought it was squished in between there, but then it ended up being alive, and then I had to smush it, and I just threw the whole thing away. So I just bought a new one. And I decided to do this because there's holes. So if that ever happens again, you know, hopefully it just doesn't happen again because there's holes here. So this is all open. So I just think that this looks pretty nice. I didn't realize until recently that they had these metal ones. I think they look pretty cool. So that's what the tag looks like. So just a little napkin holder. And I picked up another Optic White toothpaste because I feel like we're going through this one faster than the Crest 3D White, and there was no more of that. But I do like the taste of this one. It is a nice change. So I just picked up another one for when I run out. All right, BROCHIKAS, so that was it for this week's Dollar Tree haul. I know it was a little bit smaller, but still super exciting about those Wet n Wild products. I love finding brand name makeup in Dollar Tree. I still have not come across the Hard Candy brand, which is so sad. I see all kinds of people hauling all these beautiful things from Hard Candy, and they're like big size, like palette. There was one with like a blush and a bronzer and a highlighter and like eyeliners and all kinds of stuff, and I hope I come across those soon. But it was really nice to see some Wet n Wild in there this week. So thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.